All right, let's try this thing. I'm not gonna lie, a little hesitant over this thing. So you hold on the power button. Look at that, turns on. So it's a stimulator, pretty much. It's a head massager. If you guys can see that, it's pretty good actually. I enjoy this. Now, it's not going to stimulate to grow hair. It's just pretty much if you have a migraine or headache or maybe just you're stressed out. This is perfect. And it doesn't only work on your head, too. It works on other parts of your body, too. So if you have strains underneath your legs or muscle aches, or you just want a simple massage, you hit the button. Look at that. Does a different mode, different modes. I like how it works. It works really good. Go back, slower modes. So you hit the button, you can feel it. And because these are silicone, it doesn't hurt at all. It doesn't scratches or anything. It's just very soft, right? It's like tender little fingers all working on my head, all around my head. It's actually really good. So behind the neck, oh, behind the neck is the spot. You guys are gonna like this. Even in your hands, if you have some strength, some ten muscles or anything, this is actually really good. So yeah, not bad after all, you know. So turn off the button. Type C charging station. It's gonna last you for. Hold on the button, and it turns off. So a little device. I like it. Then there's a little handle. You want to travel with it? This is great. So if you guys are looking for something like this, like a little simple massage machine, it works great for your scalp. It has little prickles, but they're made of silicone, so you don't have to worry about any kind of scratching or anything like that. So it works on pets too, right? So I've done this on my dog. He actually likes this. So, but keep it away from kids. I mean, I don't want to. It's just for adults, pretty much. Anybody that has any kind of old injuries or maybe migraines, this is perfect. So